Picture this. You're at a bustling community event, ready to capture interviews for your podcast. Amidst the chatter and excitement, your lavalier microphone, discreetly clipped to your collar, is your secret weapon. This tiny powerhouse picks up every nuance of conversation, ensuring your listeners feel like they're right there with you. Whether you're walking through a noisy street or sitting down in a quiet cafe, it isolates your voice from the surrounding hubbub. And when it's time to edit, the clear, crisp sound it delivers makes your job a breeze. This microphone isn't just a tool. It's your passport to bringing stories to life, no matter where you find them. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 6 best lavalier microphones to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 6. Sennheiser XS Lav. The Sennheiser XS Lav USB-C is an excellent starting point for those new to lavalier microphones, offering an affordable solution for YouTubers, low-budget filmmakers, and other content creators seeking a simple, effective audio tool. It's particularly suited for users in need of a plug-and-play device, easily connecting to USB-C compatible Android, Windows, Mac OS, and iPad OS devices. Setup is straightforward. Select your device, connect, and begin creating. The package includes all the essentials for mobile recording: the microphone itself, a foam windscreen, a microphone clip, and a carrying pouch, all demonstrating durability akin to Sennheiser's higher-priced lavalier models. For those without a USB-C device, Sennheiser also offers the XS Lav with a traditional 3.5mm TRRS connector, making it accessible for iPhone users through a 3.5mm to Lightning adapter. This versatility ensures that the XS Lav series can cater to a wide range of devices and user needs, making it a practical choice for content creators at various levels. Number 5. Saramonic Blink500 Pro B2. The Saramonic Blink500 Pro 2 Lav mic kit includes 2 transmitters with built-in mics, a receiver for attaching to a camera, and a charging case that ensures all components remain equally powered for consistent performance during shoots. The kit also features classic cabled lav mics that can be clipped to a subject's shirt, offering a more discreet alternative to the bulkier transmitter mic equipped with a noticeable dead cat windscreen. Ideal for dynamic filming environments, such as windy coastal areas, the Saramonic Blink500 Pro 2 facilitates the capture of clear, robust, and wind-free audio wirelessly. This makes it perfect for documentary-style productions where subjects need freedom to move around and away from the camera. The kit handles slight latencies of about 3 frames seamlessly, which are typically imperceptible on the smartphone's display. Additionally, the transmitters feature an OLED display that clearly shows the strength of mic input levels, enabling on-the-fly adjustments to ensure audio is neither too low nor peaks. This feature is especially useful in maintaining the quality of audio recordings in varying filming conditions. The Saramonic Blink500 Pro 2 offers filmmakers a versatile and high-quality audio solution for capturing natural and ambient sounds effectively. Number 4. GODOX Virso M2. The GODOX Virso M2 kit includes 2 transmitters and a receiver that connects to cameras or smartphones via included cables. The M1 kit offers a more affordable option with 1 transmitter for simpler needs. The Virso M2 stands out for its reliable signal that holds up even behind physical barriers like thick brick walls, ensuring continuous audio capture. Each transmitter has a micro SD card slot for direct voice recording, useful for later editing out any dropouts from the audio files. To address common wind noise issues, the transmitters come with easy-to-attach windshields and software that reduces low-frequency wind rumble. Additionally, the kit includes a cabled lav mic that plugs into the receiver. This can be discreetly attached to a belt, ideal for speaking directly to the camera with a less noticeable mic. The lav mic's foam windshield provides a more discreet option compared to the larger dead cat windshield designed for the transmitter. This setup makes the Virso M2 a versatile choice for clear and discreet audio recording in various filming conditions. Number 3. Hollyland Lark Max Duo Kit. The Hollyland Lark Max Duo kit includes 2 transmitters with built-in mics and supplementary lavalier clip mics for a more traditional setup. Each transmitter features onboard digital recording, eliminating the need for micro SD cards. With 8 GB of storage, you can record up to 14 hours of audio on each device. A button on the receiver activates noise-canceling software to reduce background noise, enhancing audio clarity, although it is not as effective as the Lark M2's noise reduction. The kit comes with a carry case that also serves as a charging station for the transmitters and receiver, ensuring all devices are equally charged via USB-C port for consistent performance during shoots. The devices pair automatically once removed from the charger, allowing for immediate and hassle-free recording setup. Additionally, the Lark Max boasts low latency, ensuring the audio remains in sync with the speaker's lip movements, making it ideal for video productions where precise audio-visual alignment is crucial. This setup makes the Lark Max Duo a convenient and efficient choice for a professional quality audio recording. Number 2. Rode Wireless Pro. The Rode Wireless Pro offers a versatile recording setup, including 2 Rode Lavalier 2 mics and the ability to record directly into transmitters that pin onto clothing. It connects seamlessly to smartphones, computers, DSLRs, and more, enhancing its utility across various recording environments. Each transmitter boasts 32 GB of internal storage, far surpassing similar devices like the DJI Mic 2. Features such as intelligent gain assist automatically adjust audio levels for optimal recording, while locking lavalier mic adapters provide further flexibility in setup. The transmitters and receiver are powered by built-in LiPo batteries, which support up to 7 hours of uncompressed audio recording or up to 43 hours of compressed audio. This substantial battery life ensures reliable performance in diverse recording scenarios. The Rode Wireless Pro's design ensures high-quality audio capture and significant operational range, maintaining connection as long as there is a line of sight between the transmitter and receiver. Onboard recording acts as a backup in case of disconnection. With these features, the Rode Wireless Pro stands out as an exceptional choice for professional-grade audio recording. Number 1. DJI Mic 2. The DJI Mic 2 enhances its predecessor's design, making it an excellent choice for content creators needing professional-grade audio. This refined lavalier microphone includes advanced features such as 32-bit float internal recording and noise-canceling technology, ensuring clear, distortion-free audio even at high volumes. The interface has been improved with a larger touchscreen and a physical control wheel on the receiver for easy adjustments. The unit supports both mono and stereo recording, and the upgraded charging case with a locking push-down latch enhances portability and security. The transmitter layout prevents accidental button presses and integrates seamlessly with various devices via Lightning and USB-C adapters. The DJI Mic 2's transmitter is robust, with haptic feedback for better operational awareness, and it allows recording a -6 dB safety track as a backup. With an 18-hour battery life and a 250-meter range, it is designed for extensive use. The kit also supports a classic cabled lavalier mic attachment, offering versatility in microphone setup. Available in a combo kit with multiple transmitters or a more economical single transmitter set, the DJI Mic 2 caters to different needs and budgets, ensuring high-quality audio capture for diverse content creation scenarios. And that's a wrap on our look at the best lavalier microphones. Whether you're recording a podcast in a bustling cafe, capturing an interview at a busy event, or just making sure your voice is heard clearly in your video content, a good lavalier microphone is essential. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more useful tech tips. Keep creating, keep recording, and I'll see you in the next video.